Hello, good morning. My name is Kunal, and I am your host for today's video. In this video, we are going to see the 3 common ways to learn C++ for Unreal Engine game development. And popular game developers won't tell you about the 2 official ways to learn C++ in less time. And in this video, we are going to cover these 3 ways to learn C++. So without further ado, let's get started. Way number 3 is YouTube. The most popular and common way to learn C++ is by watching online tutorials. Well, there are many tutorials you can find on YouTube and learn from them. Now let's move on to the second way, which is not so popular among beginners. And that is Coursera. Like this course, which teaches you C++ for game development. You can find this course on the Coursera website. And after successful completion, they will give you a certificate as a reward. You can share your achievements on LinkedIn and please check the details of the course before getting started. The last and best way to learn C++ is through the Unreal documentation website. Select the version you are using. And then click on Programming and Scripting. By going through this documentation, it will tell you how to install Unreal and everything you need to learn to become an Unreal-friendly game developer, but keep in mind that everything comes with practice. So you guys keep learning. And I will see you in the next informative video. And also hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video to see more such videos.